Have you ever wondered what happens after accidents? How do people not go broke? Well, there's this thing called insurance.
Hello, we are $5
sisters. I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, I was wondering, what is insurance? I'm sure a lot of viewers, and me probably asked the same question I did in the intro. So, what is it? What is it about?
Well, let's Google up.
Insurance. Insurance is backup money provided by a company to pay for any damage or bad things that happen to a specific item. Summarized by Little Sis. Oh, wait. So insurance is just someone paying for my stuff in a what-if situation? Sweet. Could I get insurance for my grocery list?
Well, if there is insurance company will insure for your groceries, I guess there's a possible, but no, it's not going to work that way. There is a many different insurance company out there. Let's say if there is ABC insurance company and they carry certain insurance product. So let's say you wanted to have that insurance company from ABC and you need to figure it out what you want to cover, how long that insurance will going to cover, and what is the coverage for, and that determines how much you need to pay the premium. Then in that period of time of a coverage, if something happens, what listed on the coverage, then the insurance company will pay you for whatever your insurance is for. Let's say you have car insurance from ABC company, and when you drive down the road and then if you get into the accident, let's say you want to cover your car for $150,000 damage. Then when that really happened during the coverage of insurance, then the insurance company will pay you out that up to $150,000 damages. Well, little sis, we find out there's quite a different insurance out there. What do we find out?
Well, the more common ones are like house insurance, car insurance, life insurance, and phone insurance. But there's even some really, really weird ones.
Like what?
Like finger insurance for like musicians or pianists. But that's still really, really weird.
Yeah, there's a lot of exciting and weird insurance out there too.
Alright, back to the premium. You said I need to pay them, but how much?
Well, it generally depends. I'm sorry that I say it depends, but it surely is depends. What are you insuring for? Is it car insurance, health insurance, life insurance? I mean, like you said, finger insurance. What is it? Right? That determines the price. 2, how much you want to cover for. Let's say if it's auto insurance, do you want it to cover your car for 100,000, 150,000, or 250,000? I mean, there's a lot of different options. You are going to put that in there. If it's house insurance, how much is the house? Is it against the fire, flood? How about thunder? How about thief? Those you can all letting into, and that determine how much is the premium that you need to pay for. So let's go about purpose of insurance. Why do you think that people want to have insurance?
Well, they don't want to lose their belongings, right? They don't want to lose money, they don't want to lose their stuff, they don't want to lose their house, anything.
So it's basically insurance is for what if situations and protect yourself from that what if situation. And insurance company is there to help you out to protect it. Basically, that's what it is. And that's why you wanted to pay for those premium to protect yourself.
Wait, oh, I know this sound. It's the sound for Bonnie Time!
My name is Whitey. We are the bunnies. Hey, Pinky, I'm a little bored. Let's watch some TV together.
Okay, that sounds like a great idea.
Click, click. Ooh, what's that?
Is that an ad? Ooh, let's watch it. Ridiculous Insurance presents Oh My God Insurance. We can insure anything. Did you get an earthquake? Oh my God! Did you get a blizzard?
Oh my God!
It even insures you from the perils of the silent fart. Oh my God! Mr. Dino, what did you do?
And it protects from the loudest fart too.
Oh my God! Please keep in mind that oh my God situations vary from bunny to bunny, person to person. Please consult one of our oh my God insurance agents to find what situations could be for you.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye!